Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video, Art Enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey into the world of deep arts. Join me as we unravel the basics and discover how this powerful tool can turn your imagination into stunning works of art with its AI-driven creativity. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing that you always have to do is to go to the website of the app. So in our case it is DeepArt Effect. So the first thing that we should do is to sign in into the application. So let's do that by clicking on sign in, and here as you can see, this is where you have to fulfill your informations. In case you didn't have an account already, you simply have to go through these few easy steps that have to be done, which are pretty simple: the username, the password again, email, and then the verification code. So it should be something like that. As an example, let me just show you real quick. Here a password that has to be a minimum of 4 symbols, and the same thing for the repeated password. Here your address, and basically here your the captcha that will be viewed in here. So click on register and your account should be created with few clicks. Now after we did that, what we are going to do is to check our inbox for any email that could be sent to us. So the registration has been created and the account is created as well. So now let's simply click here, click on login in, and after that we can simply just click and put our account into it. Now the thing is, guys, this is the account as you can see, but still we didn't actually have the access to the application. So the actual platform is just a way for you to download the application and start using it. So further to use it, we should click in here, desktop PC, and what we're gonna do is to download it for our desktop. So here I'm just going to click on either try free version, or simply here you can go for the first page and click on download, which is right here, and you will find Windows, Mac, and Linux, 3 different categories that you can download from them, depending on your, of course, on your PC and software that you will be using on your PC. In our case it will be Windows, so simply I'm going to click on get now. This is software requirements are Windows 7 or later, 4 GB of RAM, and 2 GB of disk space. So let's click here get now, and it should be downloaded on our PC. We simply have now to wait for the download to be downloaded on our PC, and then we're gonna go and start the installation process. So meet you there, and here we go. So now after the installation is done, we simply have to click right here, and we will start with the installation. I mean, the download was done, and now we will start with the installation. So welcome to the DeepArt Effect Setup Wizard. So what we should do is to click on next. Next simply is just the usual process of downloading any software, as we always do with any other software. So now we are to simply going to wait for it to fully install. It's not gonna take long time to be done. Now for the deep art effects and the user things that will allow you to do, they are pretty much simple, nothing that complicated. It might not even be the best out there as something that uses AI. Of course you could use something else, as like there is here in Discord. I have it on a server, like a server that will create for you images dependent, or a plugin that will create for you images with the details or the details of the text that you write. It will not look like such as quality as this image right here. It will even look much better, and they even give you like a free trial as beginning. If you want me to make like a video about it in the next few days, make sure to leave comment down there. It's called Midjourney for those who want to look for it. So now after the installation is done, we simply have to look for the software, which is gonna be called DeepArt Effects. So there we go. And now what we're gonna do is to simply wait for it. So here it is. Now this is the thing, now we are going to only be using the free version. In case you would like to have the premium version, you simply have to go to desktop PC, and we are going to wait until the page loads, And as you can see, there's a promotion here. In case you would like to buy it, you simply have to click on buy now. You will be taken to this page where you're gonna be paying for the software. Now before you pay for the software or anything else, I'm going to show you some of the features that it has. And as it seems in the free version, it's so bad. It's not really that good for a platform or for an app to be paid. So let me just show you real quick, and then we're gonna come back here and see what are the features that you might get after paying. So here I'm just going to close that. I'm going to try it for free. Okay, all right, and then I'm gonna close this one, and here we go. So here they are asking us first to drop an image or video here, to click and open one. So we simply have to click here. I'm going to search for an image, for example this one. Now here in the bottom, as you can see, we have bunch of effects that we can add to the specific image, and of course the premium effects are basically logged, and even the premium effects are not really something that you might call it premium. You can see right here the effects is not really that good. And look at the image. This is like the normal image. Let me just make the resolution at the maximum. So here we go. Now let me just, for example, add something into it. Let's add this abstract effects into it. So as you can see, let me just wait, and yeah, now it is done, and the image is actually going to be so much bad. It will have these lines of DeepArt effects within it. It's simply not really worth it to have it. It's not worth it at all to actually be using this software. Now let's go back. We can't actually go back, which is pretty much very bad. Let's click on Ctrl Z, and yeah, nothing happens. So once you apply some kind of an effect, there is no going back, which is also something very bad for me to have. Here, as you can see, anything that you try to click on, in case you didn't have the premium version, will not be working for you. And this is basically it. What you could use, what you could try to do, it is simply this thing. You can try to use even other software that could be much better. For example, Adobe Lightroom, it could have much high potential than this DeepArt effects. I don't see any AI basically used into it. I only see some old 2008 2009 effect that has been used in like old cameras and old like tools or social media such as Instagram and Snapchat. Like these are the old filters that has been used back then, but now we are in 2024, we have AI, so having an image that has such an effect will not only make you lose clients in case you were using it for selling some stuff, but it will make you lose a lot of things in case you had this idea. So here let me just add intensity for this effect, for example, and yeah, it's so bad. I have no clue, guys, if that's something that people are looking for, but in case this is what you're looking for, this is how you can use this application. You could go for it, and yeah, that's always it. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.